Let us talk tip number 8 today. A very nominal clause appearing towards the end of most contracts. It was like an orphan till about a year and a half back. Yes, I'm talking about the force majeure clause. No one used to read it properly, leave aside knowing the implications of this clause or debating or negotiating about it. 99% or more, it used to be just a cut and paste clause in all contracts. However, COVID-19 has brought this clause into prominence, and majority of the issues that we have faced in last 1.5 years revolve around force majeure clause. It is the most debated term for enforcement of contracts in the last 1 year and so. So next few tips will be centered around force majeure. To begin with, you must have a force majeure clause in your contract depending on the subject matter of the contract, whether it is goods, whether it is services, or some promises made the parties to each other to do something or refrain from doing something. You must comprehensively define what events or circumstances will constitute the force majeure clause. So this is the beginning of force majeure discussion. Next few tips, we will share more aspects of force majeure. Thank you.